Your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is equipped with 7 unique and customizable cooking functions to get you started. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL also comes with a ceramic-coated crisper plate to optimize airflow for evenly crisped and flavorful meals. Be sure to push the crisper plate all the way down so it sits evenly in the basket. The Max Crisp function provides you with hotter and faster cooking for extra crispiness at 450 degrees. To activate, press the Max Crisp button and use the time up and down arrows to adjust the cook time. Then press Start, Stop to begin cooking. The Max Crisp is ideal for your favorite pre-packed frozen foods such as French fries, chicken nuggets, mozzarella sticks, and more. It enables you to cook your favorite frozen foods faster with crisper results. The Air Fry function allows you to crisp fresh and frozen foods without the guilt of deep-fried food. To activate, press the Air Fry button and use the temp and time up and down arrows to adjust the cook time and temperature. The Air Roast function can be used to roast foods traditionally made in an oven. With the Broil Rack, the Air Broil function can be used to give meals the perfect finish and crispiness. The Bake function allows you to create sweets, treats, and desserts traditionally made in a home oven. The Reheat function is perfect for reviving your favorite homemade or takeout leftovers. The Dehydrate function gently removes moisture from foods to create delicious and healthy homemade snacks. It's recommended you preheat your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL for 3 minutes before placing ingredients in the basket. Once preheated, load ingredients, select function, and set desired time and temp. Cook times are displayed in both hours and minutes and are easily adjustable. Then press Start, Stop to begin cooking. When using Max Crisp, Air Fry, and Air Roast, be sure to shake ingredients throughout cooking for best results. To get food crispier, extend the cook time. To increase dehydrating capacity, you can use the Broil Rack. Simply place it on top of the crisper plate to add another layer of ingredients. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.